Buckle up, car enthusiasts. The 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser is here to redefine adventure. Built for adventure, this beast combines luxury with rugged capability like never before. Step inside and discover cutting-edge technology, plush leather seats, and a spacious interior designed for comfort and convenience. With its state-of-the-art infotainment system and advanced safety features, you're always in control, whether on the road or off the beaten path. Under the hood, the 2024 Land Cruiser boasts a powerful V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring you conquer any terrain with ease. Yet it's not just about power. The Land Cruiser's refined suspension system provides a smooth, comfortable ride on city streets and highways. And with improved fuel efficiency, you can explore further without frequent stops. The multi-terrain monitor and adaptive variable suspension make this Land Cruiser stand out, giving you unparalleled control and confidence on any adventure. Want to know more? Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for a detailed review. Adventure awaits with the 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser.